When you eat calcium-rich food, digestion releases calcium from the meal, so your body can begin absorbing the mineral. In your small intestine, calcium crosses the intestinal lining and enters the bloodstream, where your body transports the mineral where it's needed. Once absorbed, calcium travels through your bloodstream. Some is used immediately, while some becomes available for your bones and other tissues. Inside your bones, calcium becomes part of the mineral structure surrounding bone cells, helping maintain the strength and structure of healthy bone. Your bones are living tissue. Old bone is removed while new bone forms, with minerals helping maintain this continuous remodeling process. Calcium is one part of bone health. Your body uses it alongside other nutrient-living bones throughout your life. Your body is working for you every second.